Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and every one. Alright, first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of a multi-vehicle accident. Now, the reason why I said multi-vehicle accident, viewers and subscribers, is because the video shows motor vehicles that was involved in the incident. Is what I'm saying to you. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many motor vehicles was involved in the incident, and I didn't get any confirmed information to determine anything about any form of injury nor any fatality. No, I did not. However, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. The video will be recorded within the country of Jamaica, and please bear in mind that the video shows damaged motor vehicles. So viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Bright cars and bright. Few of them lick up. One load, so. So far with all that stuff.
It's not me at fault. I see them now. One next to me come running and see them blood clots.
Okay, so did you hear those words that the person said at the end of the video, viewers and subscribers? I go up you hear those words. So I say, sometimes I can't help but think and wonder certain things when it comes down to insurance companies and people paying certain amount of money to insure their motor vehicles. That's what I say, my people. You know, and a lot of people don't meet enough form of accident year by year. Sometimes years pass, and you have some people who don't meet an accident none at all for years pass. That's what I say, my people. All them things I think about. You know, look, my people. Have any of you ever find yourself in a situation or have any experience with this thing that they call name insurance claim? Eh? Have you? If you have, leave a comment and see if you can tell me the experience you have. My people, look at this part of the video right here. Alright, so this part of the video shows a certain motor vehicle at a certain angle. You see that? You see that motor vehicle, eh? How the motor vehicle look to you? So may I point out that because I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly how many motor vehicles was involved in the incident. So I hope that the video will give you a good understanding, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a person and the police from within the country of Jamaica. The video shows more than one law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. As a matter of fact, the video shows quite a number of persons, and I can hear a certain amount of persons talking in the video. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to what caused the confrontation, or I didn't get any confirmed information as to how the confrontation started, viewers and subscribers. So I present the video to you so you can look and listen to the video and see if I can get a good understanding about the situation. You can also let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Jesus Christ.
So why you park there so that me answer? Where are you in the vehicle? Where are you in the vehicle?
We are live here in Halfway Tree. Jesus Christ. We're live here in Halfway Tree Clock Tower. Police versus man in the black and yellow shirt.
Alright, now my people, obviously the person had been approached by police, and even though I don't have any confirmed information as to how the confrontation started or why the person had been approached by police, listen to these words that the person said.
Jesus Christ.
You hear those words, right? Alright, now listen to some words that at least one person said, viewers and subscribers. So, maybe those words that had been said in the video might give some form of understanding about the situation, you know, but I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been approached by police or how the confrontation started, viewers and subscribers, is it me? But me just point out them there. Yeah, and just a move on. Now, one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Alright? Let me know what you think. And next topic. In the next video that I'm going to present to you, a person said some words that also includes of who thieved my own car. Now, viewers and subscribers, I might be surprised to hear some of the words that the person said in this video. So let's take a look at the video and see if we can get a good understanding as to what the person talked about in this video, viewers and subscribers, and I hope that this video can help bring an awareness. Here it is. Look, listen and observe.
As you enter Price Mart, this is where I literally park my car along the stretch here. Look, the entrance to Price Mart right there. Right, went into Price Mart, and while I'm shopping, come outside. When we come outside, my sister is like, hey, where your car? So I thought it was a joke. When I look, I see my car. No car. Right? No car. Go on back in. Well, the first thing we did is look for the security. A little nasty little security. He's like, this is the fourth car that's stolen here since last week, Friday. The thief 3 Friday, and now yours today. Right? Price Mart. Are you all informing all your customers, all your valued customers? Are you all informing all your valued customers of what is happening here? 3 cars stolen Friday. That is the information the security guard gave me, and there is nothing put up. Please be on the alert, people. If I know, please be on the alert. I have no reason to not come here with my car. I have no reason to not be here. Just recently, Price Mart, all you try to get me to take a platinum card. All you pull up how much money I would have spent here for the year already. Since not for the year, since I renew my card, $59,000. $59,000 I spent at all year looking because of my business. Everybody know I have a business, and everybody know I just had to buy things. $59,000 I saw on the screen, and this is what I have to go through. I can't even get a recording of what it is. They're telling me I have to go to St. James Police Station, make a report, and then come back here in order to get a recording of who thieved my own car. Imagine us, what is the purpose of having a security if when you go to the security and say your car's stolen, somebody is telling the security, saying to you, girl, this is the 4th car that's stolen since last week Friday, and all you're not putting out any alarm, all you're not letting all your customers know anything. I know, come for earlier today, went with my daughter and get all she CXC upper 6 documents, all my child documents in the vehicle, because she want to sign up for UE. What am I supposed to do? How is she supposed to sign up if we have no documents? All that traffic on the road right now, nobody. I am not blaming Price Mart for somebody stealing my car. You know, criminals will be criminals, but I am saying that a big establishment like this, all you have no proper security. That person then use a key to open my car. So how, nobody then use a key?
They go Martin West End. That car to go through the traffic too much going on. Call the police one time.
I already did that. Always share it on social media. The police. You understand what is happening? Why only not informing people? Why only not informing people? Why can't get the footage to put out there?
Well, my people, I want to help make this video bring some form of awareness out there. You see what I say? Yeah, you hear the person say. I want to help make this video help bring the awareness. Listen what I say, my people. See, and this is just me. Now, in my point of view, and based on some words that the person say in the video, I think that whosoever responsible for the business place, whether it wants to be one or more than one persons, should take a look into the words that the person say. If needed, do an investigation. If needed, get more security guards. If needed, do whatsoever necessary to protect your customers and their properties. You see what I say? Yeah, because without customers, you don't have no business. And I also got information about some stolen car parts that was found in some bushy area. Yeah, me even see a video on social media about it. With all respect, if you own a business place, do your best to protect your customers and whatsoever your customers them have. Because them are your customers. Without customers, you don't have no business. I ask me I left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.